And this is why all of my wallets now look like this, fit in my pocket, and I travel with them everywhere. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Corner, the place for everything crypto. My name is OJ, crypto investor and analyst since 2016. 10 years in the business, and now I want to show you why I converted all of my crypto wallets into these kind of slim cards. Most hardware wallets have a fundamental problem. They are bulky, they rely on batteries that eventually die, and you can't exactly slide them into your back pocket when you leave the house. And as someone who travels extensively, it's important for me. So today we are looking at a solution that changes the dynamic entirely, the ELLIPAL Xcard. And they have a massive World Cup promotion running right now, so you can get your hands on a free one. So keep watching. Okay, first things first, what is this? Well, this is a card-sized crypto wallet, cold wallet nonetheless, and totally air-gapped because it is by ELLIPAL. ELLIPAL is a very big brand in hardware wallets, and they're exclusively making air-gapped devices, which is why I am a big supporter of ELLIPAL, and I've been using their devices for a long time. If you've been following this channel, you know I've done reviews on the ELLIPAL Titan 2.0, Titan Mini. Now this is the Xcard. I already gave you my first impressions of the Xcard when it first was launched a few months back. And now that I've used it for a while, I'm actually even bigger fan. This is why I ordered quite a few cards, because I'm backing up all of my bigger crypto wallets into these cards to carry them with me when I travel. I travel extensively, 6, 7, 8 months of the year I'm on the road. I'm in different countries, different places. Sometimes I stay for a few months. Sometimes it's short trips. Obviously for short trips, it's not that important to have all of my crypto with me, but for the longer trips, I need to be prepared if something happens in the market, and I need to react quickly, whether it's selling or buying. I need to be able to have my cold wallets with me ready, because I don't keep my funds on exchanges. I keep them in cold wallets, and I keep them in several different cold wallets because I don't want all of my funds in one place in case something goes wrong. Alright, so I'm gonna explain to you all the details about this, but before we dive into the hardware specs, let's talk about how to get one of these on a dime. ELLIPAL is running a free-to-enter tournament prediction giveaway. All 48 nations playing in the World Cup right now start on their elimination wall. You get a vote by registering with your email, and your first round vote is automatically tied up to your physical location based on your shipping address, meaning you automatically plant your flag for your home country. From there, round by round, as teams get knocked out, the elimination vote, they get crossed off the list. If your nation goes all the way and wins the tournament, the earliest time-stamped entries win the card on a first-come, first-served basis. If you're a previous ELLIPAL customer, you can actually hedge your bets by using your past order number and the last 4 digits of your phone number. You unlock a second bonus vote to back up any country that you want besides your first country. The earliest entries get a limited national edition Xcard dressed completely in your country's champion colors. And this is on first-come, first-served basis while supply lasts. Make sure to enter fast. You can even join their Telegram group, so if your chosen team wins the trophy, you will be winning one of these, and it will be customized. I've left the link in the description below so you can lock in your entry before the next match day. Now, let's talk about the actual device. What is it? What does it do? When it comes to design and UI, you see it. It looks and feels exactly like a premium credit card. It's ultra slim, lightweight, and has 0 screen buttons or charging ports or anything that could go wrong. Because it is completely battery-free and waterproof, it requires absolutely no maintenance. The user interface lives entirely within the ELLIPAL mobile app on your phone. To sign a transaction, you just tap the card against the back of your smartphone using the built-in NFC reader. It's fast, intuitive, and it takes up 0 space in your physical wallet. On the security side, do not let this simple form factor fool you. Under the hood, this card runs on a bank-grade CCEAL6 Plus secure element chip. This is the highest level of security available for a consumer cold wallet. It features dynamic PIN encryption and physical anti-tamper technology. If someone steals your card, they cannot access your funds without your PIN, which is set up completely offline. If an attacker tries to guess your PIN and fails 10 times, the chip permanently wipes all the data from the card automatically. Now, that doesn't mean you're going to lose your assets. They live on the blockchain. You just have to synchronize your seed phrase with another device, another card like this one or completely different device, it doesn't matter. The seed phrase is always your most important thing. And with this card, this is what I was doing just recently. I imported seed phrases into several of these cards from my older wallets, the bulkier devices that usually stay hidden in my house or in different locations. And I don't want to be traveling with bulky devices, therefore I converted all of them into cards like this one. I numbered them as well. You can see I actually had to put numbers. This is just for me to very quickly figure out which card is which wallet and everything. And now I travel with these cards. They also have these protective sleeves. So if this is in your pocket and someone is trying to use one of these devices, you know, to copy the information from your card and stuff like that, it's not gonna work. So it's perfect. You can buy as many as you want from these. They're not very expensive. And once they are synced with the application on your mobile phone, only you can use them. So again, if anyone finds any of the cards, they cannot sync it with their mobile app because they're not going to have the passwords and the PIN codes or your seed phrase, so they cannot do that. On the other hand, even if your phone gets compromised and there is some sort of a malware or anything like that, nobody can actually take out funds from the application, from the app, because you need to tap the card in order to approve any transaction. So in terms of security, it is top-notch and your funds are always protected. Now let's talk about the seed phrase compatibility. The setup process uses an external accessory called the ELLIPAL starter that generates your seed phrase completely offline, meaning your private keys never touch the internet. Crucially, the Xcard is self-custodial, fully self-custodial, and utilizes standard BIP39 seed phrases. It supports 12, 18, 24-word seed phrases, and also you can add a passphrase as an additional word to your seed phrase to really protect your account, because even if you're worried that the seed phrase being generated automatically inside the device could be somehow pre-programmed or anything like that, if you add an extra word, that is completely on you. So, and it could be anything. It could be a non-existent word or anything, you know, that you will guess but nobody else will guess. And this way you're adding even stronger protection to your wallet. And if you already own a bulkier hardware wallet from another brand, you don't have to move your funds from an older wallet into a new one. You can actually just use that seed phrase from the older wallet and sync it here in that device as well. And again, completely offline. You don't expose your phone to, you don't expose your seed phrase, I should say, to your phone. You don't expose it to your computer. You don't expose it to the internet in any way. That little device is only used when you're setting up the card for the first time, or if you need to wipe it out and you know, restart the process, or like maybe after a while you stop using a wallet and you still want to use the card, so you can wipe it out and completely set it up again with a different seed phrase. You can generate a new seed phrase and use it with a completely fresh one, or again, you can import a seed phrase from another wallet. The choice is yours. And again, you can win one of these for free, but whether you win or you buy one outright, the value proposition here is incredibly strong. A single card of this retails for $69, or you can grab a 3-card multi-pack for $108, making it one of the most budget-friendly entry points into premium cold storage. And I know, because I've used all of them. And the network coverage is massive. Out of the box, the ELLIPAL app supports over 40 major blockchains, over 50 stablecoins, and more than 10,000 individual tokens. Whether you're holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or complex EVM tokens, this single card handles them all. And also, where this really shines for daily use is DeFi operations via the ELLIPAL app. The native application lets you buy, sell, swap, of course, stake, and even earn yield on your crypto directly inside the secure environment with the air-gapped design of ELLIPAL. Because the app fully supports Wallet Connect version 2 and browser extensions, the Xcard can completely replace your vulnerable hot wallet setups, including MetaMask. If your phone or computer gets infected with malware, a hacker can actually instantly drain your hot wallet, your MetaMask, or whichever you're using for Web3 wallet I'm talking about. So when you link your MetaMask or native app account to your physical Xcard, you get the best of both worlds. You retain the fast, fluid DeFi interface of MetaMask, all of the operations and everything, but your private keys remain isolated offline, and even if someone hacks your computer or phone remotely, they cannot execute a swap or sign a malicious transaction or smart contract or move a single token without physically having the card to tap to the device to approve that transaction. And this makes the card a perfect choice across the board. If you are a long-term holder, you get the indestructible cold storage vault with no battery to degrade or swell over the next 10 years. If you are a high-frequency day trader or a DeFi power user, you can secure your daily MetaMask interactions with physical bank-grade hardware without slowing down your workflow, without changing your workflow, very important. And make sure to use the link below to enter the World Cup promo before the next round of elimination kicks off. Drop a comment, let me know your tournament predictions, and hit that subscribe button, because I see that most of you guys, more than 50% of you who watch my videos, are still not subscribed. Well, my content is always free and always will be free, so show your support. Hit the subscribe, hit a like, leave a comment, share this video with someone else who would benefit from watching it, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.